The biggest animals. Elephant.
Hey, did you hear what's big in Africa right now? Elephants. I'm an elephant, and I live in Africa. There are elephants in Asia too. African elephants are bigger than Asian elephants. I am the biggest land animal in the world. Boy elephants grow up to 4 meters tall. I can weigh up to 6,300 kilograms. Don't try to pick me up. Girls grow up to 3 meters tall and weigh up to 4,000 kilograms. I have really big ears. When I'm hot, I wave my ears like a fan. This keeps me cool. I have a long nose called a trunk. I can use my trunk to drink. I can use it to pick up things like food. I can use it to spray water. I can also use it like a trumpet to call my friends. Can you use your nose like a trumpet? I have 2 long teeth called tusks. I use my tusks as a weapon. I can also use them to move things and dig. My tusks are made of ivory. People try to hunt me for my tusks. Because of people, there aren't many elephants anymore. I eat for 16 hours a day. How long do you eat every day? I eat leaves, grass, and other plants. My favorite place to live is on a plain or in a forest near a river. Girl elephants live in big groups together with their babies. Boy elephants live alone or in small groups. We are very social animals. We are also really clever. Are you a clever animal too?